In this module, we will look at following tracing and remedies. Beneficiaries who have suffered a loss owing to a breach of trust by trustees have the right to make a claim against the trustees, either in civil law or potentially in criminal law, for theft if the necessary criteria can be established. Where both the fiduciary duty and the breach of that trust can be established, the court will find that the benefit gained by the fiduciary should be returned to the principal, because it would be unconscionable to allow the fiduciary to retain the benefit by employing his strict common law legal rights. In the 1966 case of Target Holdings and Redferns, a distinction was made between traditional family trusts, where the trust could still apply of putting the trust estate back to what it would have been had the breach of trust not occurred, and commercial trusts, where damages determined by the causation were more appropriate. Lord Justice Millett considered that the duty of restitution only applies to breaches of fiduciary duty, not where the trustees had failed to display reasonable care and skill. Per Lord Brown Wilkinson in Target Holdings and Redferns, the following equitable remedies are available: specific restitution, restoration, and equitable compensation. Specific restitution, in which the trustee must restore the original property, which formed part of the trust property. This is a proprietary claim. Restoration, of such equitable compensation of such a sum of money as is equal to the value of the property lost to the trust by the breach of trust. Where restitution is not possible, this is a personal claim. And equitable compensation for any losses suffered by the trust, such as the right to claim a dividend on shares that have been lost to the trust due to the breach of trust, also a personal claim.